Welcome to another video, guys. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave. And today's Tuesday, so we're going to look at something very interesting. It's a trading Tuesday, as I like to call it. But we're going to look at my pro system plan or the pro system strategy when it comes to the cryptocurrency side of it, or the wealth building side. Now, to make it very brief and very short at this point of time, to give you guys an introduction, I focus on teaching you guys a skill set in the pro system, which is specifically trading. Okay, but there are added advantages to it. I'm going to go and actually speak about, give you guys some results, show you how things are, and we'll go ahead and then take it forward. Okay, so just giving you a brief idea of what I have been doing, especially with this company. I started off with, firstly, guys, are you interested in trading is a question that you need to ask yourself. Okay, are you interested in trading? Are you interested in cryptocurrency? Do you want to learn more? Do you want to educate yourself more? And do you have the need for your teams or your team or software that can actually help you shorten that time span and actually work on a daily basis for you to get a 1% increment every single day in your trading balance, or more than that? Just basically giving you a skill which you are in control to switch on and switch off whenever you like. How cool is that? Okay, this is not really a pitch video or anything. I really want to share some results. I'm on my FutureNet page. You can actually see what I've been talking about. In fact, I put a link to it to get what do I do in the first 30 minutes of my day is basically trading, guys. It's part of my daily routine in the pro system. And that's why I come out on a Tuesday to actually talk about it, because it adds value to you as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and actually, I mean, you can check on my FutureNet link is in the description in case you want to reach out to me and talk to me on the social media platform. Okay, but I'm gonna go and actually share with you something. Today's a Monday, and actually every single Monday we I'm gonna post this video obviously on Tuesday, but on every single Monday there is a specific training that we have. Now this training is exclusive to members only. So if you're a member of iCoinPro, you get us exclusive training every single week, which goes from understanding the system. If you have a question on specifically something related to trading in the micro profit system, which is our flagship product, and how we actually teach to make micro profits on a daily basis, is much more advantageous than having huge profits not consistently. So we are all about consistency, guys. And in fact, this is one of the reasons why I love this system so much and why I love this product so much, because it gives so much value in the training and everything else. Now, you can see this is my back office. There are a few things that are new here, but every single Monday there's a training that is here. And now this is a 1 hour long training, which goes all the way from the iCoinPro back office to more details in terms of cryptocurrency. Sometimes it's on just news related to the cryptocurrency market and how things are going and what can help you actually with the news and be up to date. So it's a current education. Okay, it's not something that you join once and the data, the information gets outdated. No, these are people, the CEO and the co-founder as well are people who are always on their toes when it comes to these kind of results. Now, I'm going to give you guys some results, definitely going to give you guys some results, but I want to show you one tool. Okay, now I know that you can get access to this tool by getting iCoinPro, and if you would like to get iCoinPro, you can. There will be links in the description of this video, but I want to just specifically show you one tool, guys. And this is not a tool that we do have tools that help you. I'm going to show you everything actually, not go specifically in detail in the back office, because that's something you get when you get the product, but I'm definitely going to show you. This is the micro profit system. You have basically two trades, okay, two types of trades. The rest are all methods on trading that. Then you have a complete guide. There are calculators right here and everything. So I want to show you something right here. So I'm going to go into Poloniex calculator right here. Okay, now this is one of the calculators that I use on a daily basis. Every single day I use this. wow, wow is what I thought when I said to myself, man, David, this is going to be a brilliant tool to use. And in fact, I'm addicted to it because it gives me potential trades. How much is the profit? Should I aim for 2%? Should I aim for 3%? Should I aim for 10%? You know, all these kind of things, the loss, what can happen if there is, etc., etc. So I'm weighing my odds when it comes to my trades right here, but it gives me a glimpse very quickly. So just with this one tool, you have so much to offer. Now, added to which we have Trade Finder and the Fear and Greed Index, Oversold Index, RSI Spy. All are tools that help you trade with the micro profit system itself. Okay. So it's a brilliant product, brilliant service. I'm just going to go into Poloniex very quickly, and I'm going to ignore this. I'm just going to check whether I do have some trades going on, because I did have some trades going on, and I can see that I've already made my sell order. So this morning, for example, I bought some trades. I sold some. I got nice sells right here, and I'm waiting for the others actually to get. There will be some open orders, so I have placed in trades. As you can see, I do have some active trades going on in the back office right here of my trading account. But as you can see, there are trades happening. So this is consistently, if you go every single morning, and this is all I do, guys. Let me just go back to trading history because I want to show you something very interesting. Okay, even though I'm not going to focus and tell you exactly, I'm not an advisor, I'm not somebody related to trading, so I just want to show you very quickly. This is just one. Okay, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, but this is happening 37 pages down every single day, guys. All I focus in is coming in, making a few trades, and going off to work. Consistently doing that. That's literally my plan. Okay, and it's what I teach in the pro system, because the pro system for me is a way for you guys to understand and to actually leverage what I call a strategy, okay, to learn a skill for yourself. So this puts money into your pocket. Now, iCoinPro also puts money into your pocket if you share it with people. Now, you don't need to share it with people. You can just use the product, use the system, okay, learn the tools and everything else that is in the system, and then use it to trade. Okay, this is what you're basically doing, and you put money into your pocket. However, if you want to actually promote the offer, it has a very robust compensation plan, if that's the case. But like I said, I am a very much a product of the product, guys. The marketing for me comes secondary. That what I do is I take some income, I put it into traffic. I have built a page, I've built a mini funnel also as well, in case you want something just for iCoinPro. I do have that as well. I take that and I send it to Online Sales Pro that promotes iCoinPro, and that's how I make my sales. It's a very simple strategy that I follow. But like I said, the good thing is that iCoinPro teaches you to trade, which puts money into your pocket, and you can sell iCoinPro. And the merging of these two elements together is phenomenal. People understand that the tools that are needed in iCoinPro help you trade quicker, help you trade consistently, help you profit on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, depending on what your needs are. You are in control. So if you want to start taking control of your specific wealth, this is my method for you. So what I basically do, in fact, let's just clear everything out, guys. Let's just, I don't know if I can just clear it all. Maybe I can. How do I do this? Let's just try to take everything out for a second. And I want to show you something very specific. Okay, so when people come in and they ask me, David, what do you do? I have the pro system. Okay, oops. The pro system, okay, which is divided into two main sections right here. One is the marketing side, which consists of Easy One Up, FutureNet, and lastly, that's it actually. Okay, and on this side you have iCoinPro, which teaches you how to trade as well, plus trading. So okay, And then you have EXP asset, which I have, which is export asset. I'm not going to get into this, get into it in this video, but this is the exact 4 businesses that I have. And then the Pro system has 2 other income streams, but these are the 4 income streams that are opportunity based and drive everything. So it's divided specifically into wealth. This is the wealth side, okay? Because you're actually building wealth on this side with cryptocurrency, okay? And this is the marketing side. So taking this into consideration, you have this specific goal that you can actually achieve. That's what I would suggest for you to get started with, okay? Because otherwise, iCoinPro gets a bit confusing if you don't know, but at the same time, they have all the information for you. They have all the tools for you. All you need to do is go to the website and actually sign up. And it's about $100 per month, okay? Which is quite cheap considering that usually these kind of services, which are not even real-time services, they charge around 2,000 as far as I know, or even more per month, or for a one-time payment, which then after 2 months the information is irrelevant. So iCoinPro is a major part of my system. In fact, I've been on various hangouts with iCoinPro. I am an iCoinPro member since the very beginning, and I will be because I do believe in the product. It's been over 19 months, 18, 19 months right now that the product has been out. But if you're interested, definitely there's going to be a link. In fact, the second link will teach you how to trade. The first link is a link to the Pro system if you're interested. Second is for the trading, and the third is for the tools that I use. So it's up to you whether you want to join me. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe. And I'm going to see you in the next video, guys. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. Today's Trading Tuesday. I hope you are learning how to trade, or at least getting out there and doing some trading yourself. See you guys in the next video.